Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Magicfly. My name is Aditi and today I have created this makeup look inspired by the late actress Sridevi ji, and this is just a small tribute from my side to the actress, and in no way I am trying to look like her or I am trying to copy her. So with this small disclaimer, let's start the video. The Patanjali aloe vera gel to prime my face. Use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 230 and I will dot it all over my face and the neck. Blend the foundation with the help of the Color Bar foundation brush. The under eye area, I'll use the Maybelline Aging Wine Concealer. I'm in the shade medium. And I'll again blend it with the help of the brush. To set my foundation, I'll use the L'Oreal Compact. I'll just dab it all over my face. Full my brows, I'll use the Bella Voste eyebrow liner in the shade brunette brown. First I'll fill the sparse areas with very light handed strokes because this is very creamy, and because the eyebrows are very well defined and very dark, I'll try to match it to that level. To the eye makeup, in the eyes the shade is very neutral, it's not very visible, so I'll be going with the very light shade. Right, I'll be using this shade from the Makeup Revolution palette, which is this skin colored shade. Green finger to do it. Using the Lakme Insta liner, I'll apply a thick coat of eyeliner. Now what I'll do is I'll just apply kajal on the outer V of my eye. I'm taking the Color Bar Mesmerize Kajal. I'll curl my lashes using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. So this is a great mascara if you're not using falsies. It gives a good volume to your lashes. I'll be using the Sivana Colors blush palette, and I'll be using this second light coral shade, which will give a very natural kind of a look. I'm going to use Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face, like the forehead and the bridge of my nose. Cupid bow. And also I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this highlighter. Also I'm going to contour my nose just to show it a little slimmer. I'm going to start off with the same brush from the starting point of my eyebrows, and I'm just going to contour it a little just to give it a slimmer effect, and I'll just blend it. Line my lips using the Wet n Wild lip liner in the shade Fab Fuchsia. I'm going to draw a cross. Right, next I'm going to apply it on the outer V of my lips. I'm going to use the Bella Voste lip crayon in the shade Barbie Pink. It is a very bright pink shade and I hope it suits the look. I applied a pink bindi to complete the look and this is my final look. Hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, you can like this video, you can share this video, and also if you are watching me for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below and tap the notification bell so that you are notified of my upcoming uploads instantly. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed.